Hi everybody, Mrs. Love here. If you're watching this video, it's because I had to leave for a little while today, but I wanted to give you your assignment. Here is what you are going to be doing. Well, actually, let's introduce first. Tuesday, June 5th, 2018. It's almost summertime. 3 more days of school after today. Here's what I want you to do today. This is super easy. You have an enrichment activity to do. You're going to log into your Edpuzzle account and you need to choose 2 of the assigned videos for today. You could choose any ones you want. You only need to watch 2. Here's a list of what they're called. Pick any 2 that you want. Watch them. And then you're going to complete a Google form. The link to the Google form is in your class announcements in your history class online. You must finish that form so you can get credit for being in class today. That's about it. I will be back later on today. If you have any questions, you can email me, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.